how it goes. If y'all don't know, I bought this dirt bike for $100 off Facebook Marketplace. So we're gonna go solo ride it. I've only rode it one other time in the previous video. We're gonna try to go from sitting down to knee knocker. Okay, that was pretty easy. Now we're gonna try to go, we're gonna try a little one hand or something, throw a little something in the mix between going from sitting down and knee knocker. One hand. We're gonna take the throttle off, downshift. Oh, ran off the road. As y'all can see, we are in the middle of the swamplands with like a perfectly paved road. Meant for me, it seems like. Seems like it's meant to be hit on, and I'm gonna hit all the way down it on the $100 dirt bike. Little C-stander action. Alright, we're gonna pick the bike up, second gear. We're gonna jump to the C, go from a C-stander to a foot drag, and then see how long we can take the foot drag wheelie out. If y'all haven't seen my previous video, this bike does not have the best back brakes. So we're gonna try a little slight no hand. It's not gonna be too long of a no hand. We're just gonna try to let go and then keep the wheelie going and see what's the flow after that. Yes, sir. There it was. Drop it back. Yeah. Oh, ran off the road. Only bad thing about this spot is it's a tight little road. Little no hand. Oh, that was whack. That was whack. Oh, it's in too high of a gear, but that was a good one. We're gonna try that one more time. Oh, there it was. I should have been let go. want to go hit a hill climb. Well, no hill climb. Well, guys, I think the bike just blew up. Welcome to $100. Welcome to a $100 dirt bike review. Blew up. I'm selling this thing. I think she's toast. I think she's toast. Now I gotta get it up this giant ass hill to the main road and get a hold of somebody to come pick me up. Cause I don't know if y'all know anything about dirt bikes, but they're supposed to have some compression. Oh wait, this thing's in gear. No compression. Bikes are supposed to have compression. We're not in a good predicament. I gotta get up this hill after a long day of work. Why is it gotta leave me stranded like this? By myself. Solo mission failed. It's got plenty of gas in it. I don't know if y'all can see. Well, don't buy a bike off a marketplace for $100 and think it's gonna be the best bike, because you're always running into problems simply like this. Slow and steady up the small parts is what I'm gonna rock with. Oh hell no, it's already hard. Oh hell no. Man, it's already hard to push this thing up this hill. I don't know if y'all can see. That's a pretty big hill. And I'm broke down at the bottom of it. Let me catch my breath. Okay, I'm already thinking about my life. All right. Should've chose a better line than this. Oh yeah? I think I'm hashtag screwed. Hashtag fucked up. Hashtag need somebody help. I'm not doing good. Ugh. All right, one more time. I'm gonna creep all the way up there to y'all. out what's the best way to push this thing up this hill. We're gonna go a little bit, go a little, go a little more. Front brake is locked. Turn the tires. Whoa, she's trying to slide. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. I'm not even 50% there. Okay. Not doing good. We're gonna attempt to start it. Oh, bad idea. Somebody's calling. Hello? Currently stuck. You wanna come help? I need about 3-4 motherfuckers to help me get up. Man, the mosquitoes are getting to me. Oh, just lost progression. That's not doing good. Everything's looking like it's starting to backfire on me. No. We can't lose progression. Not doing good, people. Yes, I'm getting somewhere, but a foot at a time. Jesus, please take the wheel. Oh, holy. Man, that looks like the best route. It's the smoothest. Oh no. We're gonna give it a drag a try. See if I can drag it any. Hey, looks like I'm getting further like that. Yep. Now we're leaning over. Okay, one more drag. Oh, I need help. Everybody's way down there. And this is where I was planning on heading now. Car coming. Let me get my butt back down here before they think I'm crazy. By my calculations, I'm done riding for the day. Am hashtag screwed. Hashtag need help. Fuck, man. Alright, I took a little break. Now I'm gonna go try get us up this hill a little further. Hey y'all. Dragon got me somewhere. I was at that off can. Now I'm on my way up. Look. Those are all ticks. They're all over me. Dragon technique is where it's at so far. Rolling way harder than this. Thing wants to stay rolling back on you. All right. Didn't get nowhere. There we go. There we go. Man, these dang sea ticks are all over me, and I'm flipping out. Got mosquitoes, sea ticks, and a big old hill that are almost completed. We did it! We did it! Shout out Lane for coming to give me a ride, because it's left me stranded. Completed the hill, stay here for a while, and he's arrived. Let's get this thing loaded up and get headed home. I'm covered in sea ticks. Bike is blown up and loaded up and going home. Y'all will not see another video with that bike. I am selling that bike.